So two apps that we're going to use are, of course, CapCut, as you can see here. I'm literally using it on my phone. And the other one is called Piñata Farms. It looks like this, and it is an app that helps you generate memes and just kind of drag and drop faces into them or add text. And so both of these are going to be really easy ways to generate a lot of buzz, get a lot of virality with your videos. Every single video, of course, isn't going to go viral and get a ton of actual views, but these have a higher likelihood to, because these on CapCut specifically are already templates that are proven to do well. So generally speaking, when you upload one that is, of course, relevant to your niche, because we're going to personalize them here in a second, it's going to have a higher likelihood to do better on TikTok, because TikTok already knows that that template does very well. And of course, it'll also be niche specific, so the followers that you will gain will be interested in your actual niche. So the first one we're going to use is CapCut, right? But if we're on TikTok, you'll see here, if I can mute this so it doesn't get loud. So as we're scrolling, if you're just scrolling through, you might get suggested one every so often that is a CapCut template. Now, every single time I do this on the actual camera, when I'm trying to create like a tutorial for you, I never get suggested a CapCut template. But then the moment I shut it off to actually stop recording, I will. You see a lot of these here. All right, so a perfect example right here. As you're scrolling through, see this one right here, it says CapCut template, try this template. All this is a clip from a movie where it's personalized, where it's saying someone JD Vance and then Trump on top of this. And it's obviously poking fun at the famous Oval Office incident that just happened, right? So this isn't the best example of something that would be relevant to e-commerce, but if we wanted to personalize this, we would just download CapCut, we would use it, as you can see here, and it takes you right into CapCut, where you can personalize these specific people in here, the specific text, and obviously make it relatable to your niche. In this case, it's e-commerce, right? So that's one way to do it. Just scroll through, and as you get suggested different CapCut templates, you can obviously personalize those for your niche, and that's going to have a better chance to go viral. Now, you could also just go into CapCut if you download it, and I obviously pay for CapCut, but you don't need to. So if you're just starting out and you're looking for something completely free, you don't have to pay for it, although you will have like the little CapCut brand watermark on top of it. So I forget how to actually do it, but you can screen cut it out so that you're only using a portion of the video, so you're not showing the actual CapCut logo, or you can just post it with the CapCut logo too. That also works as well, right? So you don't need to pay for it, although it's just going to take that watermark off of your CapCut videos so it looks better. You can if you want to, but you don't have to, right? So as we're scrolling through here, my volume's obviously not on, but right here, show me the reason why you don't have any money. And then you obviously put 7 photos in there really, really fast. So this one obviously does really well. I'm sure you've seen this one. And you could put pictures of like a bunch of different orders for e-commerce, right? Like you don't have any money, you're funding, different orders, and you don't have any cash flow purposes or whatever, right? Or you could say maybe it's like a new printer or, a new laptop or whatever the case is. You can tailor it as you can start thinking about how it can be relevant to your niche, and then just post like 10 of these videos, and I guarantee you 1 or 2 of them will probably do pretty well and get you a bunch of followers, a lot more than if you just try to come up with something on your own. Now, I did this and I've grown so many pages doing this. It's very, very easy because again, these templates are proven to do well already, and if you're making them tailored to your niche, you're going to go relatively fast. Your videos are going to get a lot of views, and the followers that you get from those videos will be relevant to your niche, right? So it's great. So that's the first one, CapCut, try it out. Then once you do get to 5,000 followers and you're finally able to link products, you're going to need a way to test a bunch of products quickly so you can find out which ones work and which ones don't, right? Now, Viral Ecom Ads is a company that I've personally worked with for almost 2 years now, roughly, I want to say. And it's a way to get a bunch of high quality product videos up super quickly so you can test products and get through the no's and faster to those yeses, right? Lately, my go-to ad strategy with them has been their AI UGC packages and testing promising products with those. So you don't have to waste your time or your effort in the testing phase. You can really quickly figure out which products will actually sell. So you can obviously double down on that, right? These AI generated videos look incredible, and they can highlight your products without you needing to spend a week filming all the content yourself. Just by outsourcing this, you can get high quality scroll stopping content almost overnight. And for me, this flood of videos allows me to test dozens of products quickly within a single month, right? While most people are stuck testing just, 1 or 2, I can test a bunch just because it doesn't take me the time and the effort that it takes everybody else, right? And here's the kicker. You don't have to lift a finger for this either. You don't have to give them some well thought out, strategy to actually create the video. No, you don't have to do anything. You just drop them the product URL, and within 3 business days, literally just 3 business days, you have a professional made video sitting right in your inbox. There's no prep. There's no work. There's no oversight. There is no hassle. All right. So here's an example of what one of those looks like.
Are you tired of the same old hair routine? Check out this incredible heatless curling headband. It's a game changer for your locks. Just wrap it around, leave it for a while, and voila. Gorgeous curls without any heat damage. Get yours now and slay those effortless curls all day long.
Pretty cool, right? So if you want to check them out, there's a link in the description below to try viral e-com ads. To me, it is a no-brainer. It saves me time. It helps me push out a ton of TikTok videos very quickly. And with a business like TikTok, where speed is the superpower, this gives you that speed. Because at the end of the day, the easiest way to scale, whether with TikTok Shop or TikTok affiliates, is going to be to get as many high-quality videos posted as possible, as fast as possible. It's just a numbers game, okay? The more videos that you put out, the higher chances of finding a winning product. And obviously at that point, you could spend the time and the effort making videos now knowing that that product is going to get you paid, right? Plus, it's not like you're paying an arm and a leg for these videos either. They make them super affordable, especially if you decide to upgrade to their VIP program. It is stupidly cheap when you do that. I cannot recommend this site enough. I use it myself, and I've used it for like 2 years now. So check them out in the description below. Hope it helps. So now the second app, which is Piñata Farms. This one's really cool because it allows you to personalize a ton of viral memes. So as we scroll through here, you can see a bunch of, you see the Chris Rock one right there. You see like Van Damme from Bloodsport. This one right here is one that I used previously where it's like Derrick Henry stiff arming the crap out of like a defender on Baltimore. And so you can personalize this if you just click create. It allows you to personalize different things. So you can see like, let's pretend like one of these was my face. We'd put like my face, although that's Neymar's face, and you just drag it in there. But that's not even Neymar's face. I don't even know who that is. And then you could say like, you know, if you're doing the example of golf, right? You had a golf page, you could drag the golf driver in there and drag it over on top of Earl Thomas, right? So the first one, as we can see here, would be me. And then the third one right there, as you can see, you're stiff arming the golf club away, right? So that would be me. That would be me stiff arming the golf club away. No, I don't need to spend any more money on golf clubs. I'm good. And again, that would be an example for a golf page if that's what you're into, right? So that's just one example. And then you could next and then export it out right to your phone and then post it, right? So that's an example of one that I've used in the past, very similar to that. But there are a ton of memes here that you can personalize. So scrolling through one more example, you can have the Trump one dancing here and obviously put something on that. You have Travis Kelce dancing with Taylor Swift, and you could also, of course, put, you know, your face on Tony Soprano. Whatever the case is, you just want to personalize this. I don't want to dumb it down, you know, because you obviously get what I'm trying to say. You just personalize whatever the template is, whatever the meme is, whatever the actual CapCut template is to your niche, post 10 to 20 of those videos, and you will do very, very well very quickly.